Welcome to SkyDRM feature training. Today, I will show the external repository feature. SkyDRM users can use the external cloud drive as an external repository to store normal and protected files. To do this, a SkyDRM admin configures an external cloud drive as a service provider for their personal account. After that, SkyDRM users can connect to the external cloud drive with their personal account login. SkyDRM users can browse the external cloud drive in SkyDRM and protect normal files and store the resulting NXL files in the external cloud drive with SkyDRM. Let's see a demo on this feature. First, I log in as a tenant admin to SkyDRM. I click the Add/Manage Service Providers button. I will add Google Drive as a service provider. I input the app key and the app secret. I will keep the default URL and then click Save. As you can see, Google Drive is now configured in the Tenant Admin console. Next, I log into SkyDRM web client as John Tyler to configure the external repository. After I log in, I click Add Repository, and I choose Google Drive and give it a name. Here, I choose my Google Drive and hit the Connect button. This will direct me to the Google website. I choose John Tyler's personal account in Google Drive and enter the password. I must also allow SkyDRM to access my Google account. After that, my Google Drive is added into SkyDRM as an external repository. I can browse the files within this external repository Google Drive, and I can also protect the files within this external repository. Let's protect this sample data Excel file. I choose some permissions and protect. As you can see, the file is now protected and in my external repository Google Drive. I can view the file info. Thank you for watching this video on SkyDRM features. If you have any further questions or comments, please contact us at the following email. Have a nice day!